Hi guys, this is Pradeep out here. Today this is the first YouTube video I am going to make. Today I am going to review this OnePlus One that I have received from Amazon.in. I am from India, so basically my mother language is not English, so I am not very good in English. I just open it for first time as because I need to check it in front of the courier guy. So let me open it for you one more time. What we get over here is this is a charger, and in this box this is a pure mobile. It's a pretty heavy, and over here I have this cash memo. I bought it like $349 itself, Indian currency 22,100. Now let's have a look at it. So this is a nice clean charger. You can see over here it is a good one. I'll open it one by one. Okay, there are dual side seal available, and I can see there is a seal from company itself. Let me open this particular sellotape at first. Okay, this is gone pretty much. Now one more seal I can see. Okay, now I have one more seal over here. Yeah, cool. This is a plastic kind of thing, I don't know. So what we can see is like a user manual, user instruction, and a pretty nice looking charger over here, rated as 450 milliampere DC side output, and it is a standard charger. We don't have any other thing in this box. Good, nice and look, feel. Okay, so coming to the main box, though I have opened it before, but I want to share the experience of the first time opening. I don't know, something is coming out. Oh, sorry. The thing is that over here you can see a tag. You have to pull the tag all the way along like this to open the seal. Okay, so here is our OnePlus. You can see one SIM tray, and over here it's our main phone. Wow, looks cool, right? Yeah. So you have to slide it out. Yeah, I'm sorry, I just put my camera over there as because I don't have anybody to hold this camera, and I need to slide it out. This is pretty much, sticky. It's not sticky like, but inside there is some problem with the air, so it will get hard to pull it out. So now it will be opening like this. Wow, this is our new phone. Okay, wow, the feel is I don't know whether you can see it or not, but see this particular area, the back side of the phone is not like normal plastic cover. Though it is a plastic, but it is not like plastic. It is having some feel like it's a velvet type feel I am getting. See, over here you are getting that particular reflection of my tube light, but over here you will not. It's a reflective type feeling, sorry, velvet type feeling. So over there, let me see, this is a place of the camera, I guess, I don't know. Okay, so here is our user manual of the phone, I guess. Yeah, pretty much it's a user manual. I can't, yeah, I think you can see this. So it's a normal user manual of this phone. This is a cover. What is this? I don't know, let me check. Okay, this is a SIM extraction something, I mean like pin with which we can extract the SIM card tray. Wow, it is having a plastic rubber cover also. Sorry, I told it plastic, but it is a rubber, it's not a plastic. And over here, this is a nice USB cord, you can see. And this side also, this is a, wow, this is a sexy feel, you know. This is a new kind of USB cord I have seen. This is the first time I can see this kind of USB cord. I have a pen drive like this, but I never seen a USB cord looks like this. Okay, so that is pretty much this. I don't have anything else in this box, so we will see on the next video where I will be going to show you that particular usage of the phone. Thank you, see you guys later. Yeah.